Okay. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening, online. Good evening. Okay, so hope everyone are doing good and heartily welcome to my AWS classes. And before we start, I wish you a very happy new year. Thank you. Wish me the same. Thank you. Okay, happy new year, everyone online. So in this happy new year, you took a very wonderful, superb decision that you are planning to attend AWS classes, that too with Riaz sir. So before I start, how many of you know already? At least name. At least name. Riaz sir. Okay. Online? Okay. So many people know on Google reviews. Ah, you heard your name very positively. Okay. So again, a heartily and warm welcome to the classes. Um, let me share my screen first. What's that? Everyone say join your class, Pawan. Okay, thank you. Okay, so can you please confirm? Can you see my screen and can you hear me well online? Fantastic. Okay, so let me start. Everyone, basically, the good way to start the course is with the introduction, right? So many of you people might know me already, or many people might don't know about me. So it's a best good thing is to start with my introduction so that everyone understand about me, and then you also get a clear idea that where you have joined and with whom you are, right? Good. So thank you for giving me this opportunity to start about my introduction. And also, um, sorry to make you wait for these many uh, days and months. There are many people, those who are waiting for so many months to join the classes. And that today also, right, there's a lot of traffic today, but I'll try my best from tomorrow to be on time. Apologies for that. Okay, Nana. So I have two things. Two things. First thing is I have a habit of calling you Chitti. What's that? That is my natural habituated word. So when I'm teaching, so I call you as Chitti, right? And that is one thing. So Chitti meaning, those who don't know, that meaning dear. Okay, understood, dear, right? And Macha also. Okay. And also another thing is, when I say is it clear, then please put CC, online people. CC meaning crystal clear. So those who know me already, they know about these two things. Those who don't know, please, especially online people, so please follow that. Okay. Cool. Okay. So let me start about introducing myself. Speaker name, that meaning myself is Riaz Sheikh. So people call me Riaz sir, right? And qualifications is Masters in Computer Applications. Masters in Computer Applications, it looks very big word, but it's like you only, MCA, right? MCA, right? And my experience is total 17 years of experience. So almost 18 years, close to. So I started my career almost in 2000s, change something, four, four, five, six, I don't remember. So as like you, I finished my MC and then started. My first company was Infosys. Have you heard about Infosys? Anyone from Infosys here? No, not yet. You're waiting to go to Infosys. After AWS course, you will. Okay. Okay. So Infosys, in this Nana, Chiti, in this 17 years of experience, I didn't had a chance to move to multiple companies because wherever I go, I used to love my work. For that reason, it's very only 2 or 3 companies till now I have moved. So the first company is my Infosys, where I joined Infosys as a fresher, trained in Mysore, right? Those who know about Infosys, they know. So we get trained in Mysore, then we'll get deployed in some other places. I worked in Bangalore for many years. Then I moved to Apple. You know Apple, right? Who don't know sir Apple? So I was doing this iOS development. Later, I moved a company called Napa. What is that? Not Papa. Napa. What is that? Napa. So Napa is a Finland-based company. It's Europe-based company where I was there in Europe for many years. I worked in Europe, Germany, Stockholm, Romania, especially. So in Europe area, so I used to work there. I lived there for many years. Then I came back to our beloved Hyderabad. And I am from Nellore, right? Those who know, so I'm from Nellore. So because these are the main regular questions that people ask me, sir, where are you from? So for that reason, I'm informing you before itself, I am from Nellore. So, and my present company is, that's not company name, huh? Beep, beep, beep. So that's confidential. So for now, at the moment, I keep it confidential. Once we start moving to the classes, then I'll start revealing what I used to work on. And every inch of my career is like inspiring story, right? So slowly when you start journeying with me, you will get to know more about me. Okay, Nana? Okay, so my expertise, and also before that, I like to be, those you know already me, I like to be very jovial, right? So with fun and entertainment, we learn the classes. Okay. I don't like to be very strict and then you teach, we listen, and no, I don't like that. So I want you to keep smiling. Online people, I don't mind you put smiley symbols also. Okay. Keep smiling. I'll get more energy so that you will get more concept and more knowledge from me. Okay. Thank you for understanding. And then my expertise, oh, thank you, started online people. So, okay. And then my expertise from mainly Nana from AWS. So you might have heard, no, you might have heard. I sleep AWS, I eat AWS, I walk AWS. So in my career, I was into more into AWS only. So, and then I used to, of course, those who are working in AWS, I used to work as a DevOps person, Windows administrator, system administration, Linux, virtualization. Oh, too much of smiles, yeah. Okay, so and then Nana in this, and I'm experienced in AWS, Azure, cloud company, HCI environment. So a lot. In this 17 years of experience, it's very hard to put all the technologies here. For that reason, whatever is necessary for you, I have put that. So what you are expecting from me is what, Nana? What technology? AWS. So I'm more into this AWS. And the roles. I have been into many roles since these many years of experience, mainly as technologist analyst in Infosys. Then I worked as a senior cloud engineer, senior cloud architect, AWS consultant, and I'm also a director for a startup company. Okay. And I also work for US military projects. And also in India, we used to, as an AWS consultant, we used to work with multiple companies. I have my own company as well, where I have at the moment few employees, and that too from our students only. So who knows, if something really good, we can I cannot promise it, but let's see. I don't know, right? But later you'll say, sir, you told me that you'll hire in your company. No, 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 right? So I trained directly from AWS company from UK, right? And I am AWS certified. GT, I'm AWS certified. I'm AWS solution architect, developer, SysOps, professional security certified. So I don't like to put all the certifications here to make as a self dabba. But the thing is, I'm AWS certified and trained more than 10,000, not even more than that. I cannot count it. So more than 10,000 of students, and they got placed as well. And the best thing about this course is, Chiti, the best thing about this course is my course, I'll mainly concentrate on the basics. What is that? How many of you are from non-IT? So many hands. Online, how many of you from non-IT? There are so many people from non-IT. Yes or no? So they get so much of dreams that, I want to become an AWS engineer, sir, but I'm from non-IT. Sir, how can I do this and all? Don't worry, you landed on the right place with the right person. Because I mainly focus and concentrate more on the non-IT people. If I make the non-IT people understand the topic, for IT people, it will be easy. Yes or no? Yes or no? Perfect. So if I make you understand non-IT people, so because for non-IT, they might not be from IT, some technical words, some from basics, they might have not clear. But what my specialty of the course is here, I'll be starting everything from basics. From basic. Now, without basic, can you have a very good foundation? I'll take the very old example. If you want to construct a building without a good foundation, can you have multiple stairs, multiple floors? Not possible, na. So in my experience, I have been interviewing so many people. So many people. When I ask, I'm giving one example. I'm giving one example. When I ask, what is a server? I give the same example. When I ask, what is a server in interview? Know what they will say? Sir, server. Server is a server. Server, sir, every day we connect Dabba server. So this is not the thing, like, no, you should say to the interviewer, right? Just imagine, hotel server, right? So correct. See, whenever you go to the interview, you should be clear in the basics. If you are not clear in the basics, how can an interviewer and a company expect you to work on a very big projects? What do you say? Yes or no? Correct, no? So for that reason, the good news is for you that I'll be taking these classes from scratch, bilkul basics. But for IT people, sir, you are talking about basics, sir, how about us? For IT people also, this will be new. The basics for the IT people also will be new. For them, like for me, now all of you are like in the equal, you are all in the same page. Okay, no? Nice. And then awards, I don't talk about my awards, my workspace, I always says, let's not talk about it. And then I deliver in-depth valuable training sessions, all 10,000. It's not free. I need to remove this and replace it. That is from my old repository. So it has been so many people, so many non-IT, so many IT people, so many, homemakers, especially ladies, women. They want to change the career and move it to IT side after a long time, right? And who has gap for all of them, even my MBA people, HR people, everyone got trained and got certified also. So imagine you will be the next 55 to 60 days, you will be in that place. Okay. Okay. And my principle is, what is my principle? Kiss meaning not that. Okay. Kiss meaning keep it simple. What is it, Chitty? Keep it simple. Say that. Keep it simple. Whatever the training that I'll be giving on AWS, I will bloody keep it very, very simple. Now, first of all, to understand the technical topic, yes or no? Then you put masala on top of it. So I'll make this entire course very simple in very simple language. I don't use big words. Normal how two friends will talk to each other. That's how will be my course. Okay. Okay. Fine. So this is all about me. So am I okay for you? I should not talk more about me than this. Okay. Enough. I'm okay. Everyone. Louder. Josh, right? So online people, how about you? I'm okay for you. Perfect. And if at all if you want to know more about me, I'll not talk about this much. So just go to Google, Chiti, just go to Google and put Ria sir. You see that already there? Ria sir, AWS. We'll talk, Hussein. Do you see this, Indana? Everywhere you go, I am there. So if you go to the first one, people, students like you, those who have completed training from me, so they have shared a nice feedbacks on this page, right? Yes or no? Maybe after once they finish the training, so many people got placed, many people got certified also. So as a token of appreciation and feedback, what they did is they wrote their feedbacks, the genuine feedbacks here. Not only one, two, there are thousands of feedbacks are there here. So when you have time, just go through few 1 or 2, 3, 4 feedback so that you will understand how I'll be teaching, how am I, and how we teach AWS. Okay, Chitti? So this is about me. So do you see that? Okay. And wherever you go, you see in the Google reviews and everywhere, you will know about me. So this is about me, Nana. So all of it is online. All your general questions I'll be taking at the end of the class. Let's concentrate into the class today. Okay. Perfect. Is this clear till here? Online, CC, please. Okay. Nice. Okay. So let's talk about this. Now, the first and foremost thing here is expectations. What is that? One of the dangerous word. Yes or no? Personally also, professionally also, right? I am expecting only this from you. Why you are not up to that expectation? Huh? Everywhere expectations. So I also want to know expectations from you. I mean, from me. What are you expecting from me? So everyone has some expectations, no? For that reason, you came to the class. So what is your expectations? Just go ahead and put it in the chat, and how here also you can say. No, let it be very informal, okay? So whatever you get in your mind, just put it. I'll take it in the right way, okay? To get AWS certificate, okay. I want AWS professional, okay. I need to switch my job to AWS, okay. To get good knowledge, nice. Certification and job, be professional in AWS, very nice. And skills up, nice. Online cities, go ahead and put your expectations. Want to learn cloud technology, AWS end-to-end implementations. Currently, I'm working on AWS, but I want certification in AWS. Good. To get good package. Want to move non-IT to IT. I want to move from telecom to IT profession. Very good. To teach like you for others. Okay. Why not? Sure. Okay. To start. Oh, so many. Guys, somehow this batch, you are too interactive. Very nice. I like the people, those who are very interactive, right? Okay. So the good thing is the expectations, what whatever you are expecting, everything you will get it from this class. AWS knowledge, and after completing, you will be ready for the certification. In my class, I'll be giving you certification questions, interview questions, lots of hands-on. AWS, without hands-on, there is no AWS. So, and that too with logics, troubleshootings, all these things will be there in my class. It's like a one-stop solution. And yes, Nana, Nasima, yes, good. So I cannot stop saying this joke every time. When I was asking expectations, the same joke as I mean, it's a natural joke. I was asking the expectations like this. Babu, Chitti, tell me your expectations. Papa, tell me your expectations. What is your expectation? Babu, tell me your expectations. One of the offline student, what is it said? He said, sir, I have expectations. Yes, Chitti, please tell me. And he said, sir, I want to get married. ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నారా నరాలు కట్టేపే I want to get married. Okay, that is a good expectations. Why not? Right? Right? So I want to, okay, he said, I want to get married. That's good. So I said, can you please explain a little bit more? And what he said, sir, you will teach AWS. Yes, sir. After that, what will I get? Job. After job, marriage. So that is my goal, sir. So, of course, those who want to get married, learn from Riyaz, sir. Okay, so very nice. So I like you people to be very happy and very fun, smiling, so that we learn a lot and lot from these classes. Okay, Nana, be like this only. Good. So whatever the expectations that you are, definitely this expectation will be definitely met in our course. Okay, so next is this course outline. What is this, Nana? Course outline. Course outline is, do you see that here? Can you read couple of things? Client server architecture, network basics, virtualization, cloud computing, high availability, MFA, EC2, Beanstalk, Lightsail, Lambda, S3, EBS, EFS. Sir, what are all this, sir? Why you are showing all these things? Nana, this is the course time. If I talk too much about this, you will go mad. Yes or no? So you are here to learn all these things. You are here to learn all these things. Not only these things, you will be learning even more so many services, because it's not possible for me to put everything in one slide. No, for that reason, I have just only put the main things. Later, there are so many other services you will be learning from this course. Okay. As I said, I promise. This guy is saying, yeah. What is this? No, God, because you put an expression now. What are all these, sir? All this color, easy to. What is lambda, like nimda? Huh? What is this, sir? So I'm there for you to learn, to make you learn all these things. Don't worry. We'll talk on that, Madhu. We'll talk on that. So, no, this course has been designed such a way that you will get 4 years of experience. You will get how many? How a 4 years of experience person will work in the real time? As most of you are freshers here and experienced people, you will get that much of experience from this course. That much technically deep we learn. And also, should I tell you one thing? You know what I will be called in market? Anyone knows online? People call me as AWS doctor. What is that? Because I'll be injecting in your brain without pain. I'll be injecting your brain in your brain without any pain. Mark my words. Underline these words. And I'm telling you very good news for you. Whatever you will be learning from my class every day, you no need to even do the revision. You no need to do the revision. Mark my words. You no need to do the revision. Everything will be directly injecting in your brain. That is my responsibility to make you inject. Urko sir, what are you talking? Start the journey with me for next few days. Not few days, 2-3 days. Enough, no? 2-3 days enough for that, how we will be learning. So wait for next 2-3 days. How we'll be learning, you will only know. Okay, mark my words. Oh, just looking like a wow. Thank you, Mukesh. Okay, nice. So thank you for the positive feedbacks. Thank you, Nana. Okay, fine. So now let's move on a little bit. Why AWS Cloud is the best career decision? Why AWS Cloud is the best career decision? I would really congratulate you already and appreciate you that you already took one step for the success. You already took one step for the success. What is the step that you took? To learn AWS. To learn AWS. You only tell me, Nana, who is the number one cloud provider in the market? Louder. Online people. Everyone. Everywhere you go. AWS, AWS, AWS. Yes or no? Experienced people. Let's hear from experience also. See, everywhere you go, AWS. So let's start. So why AWS Cloud is the best career decision? We'll see. Reasons to learn AWS. Everyone have these questions. Sir, why I need to go to AWS? Why not? Who is the competitor of AWS? Azure and GCP. AWS, Azure, GCP. Sir, out of this, which one I need to go? You already know that AWS is number one in the market. So which one will you choose? Number one or number two? Obviously, if you want to become number one, choose number one. That is AWS. So, so here AWS is the fastest growing public cloud in the world. Okay, let's see. It's not me that I'm saying AWS is number one. Let's see based on the surveys and based on the market. Okay. So AWS is the fastest growing public cloud. Don't worry about what is public cloud, what is public. Don't worry about all these things now. I'm here to teach all these things slowly. Let's go slowly. Aram se we'll go. Okay. So for now, do you all agree that AWS is the fastest growing cloud in the world? Yes. And who is the leader in cloud computing market? AWS itself. And now since 2015, what is that? 2015. Since 2015, this is the most on-demand skills that everyone need in the market. Most demanded skill. If you put this three magical letters, AWS. If you put these three magical letters in your resume, you see the difference how you will feel. Wait for it. My course will be for 55 to 60 days. How many days, Nana? 55 to 60 days. Monday to Saturday. Saturday sometime? No, but maximum Saturdays will be. Monday to Saturday. Okay. Have you heard many people are migrating to the cloud, or moving to the cloud? Have you heard this word? Everyone are moving to the cloud, right? Everyone are moving to the cloud. And that to which cloud? AWS cloud. Don't worry about Nana. What is cloud and all? I'll be teaching, but I'm just going as a normal. Okay, now we'll talk about that, Syed. And who have AWS experience? For everyone, they have the top pay salaries. If you take a normal, any kind of technology that you take, AWS persons has a high salaries. So AWS carriers pay top money for you. Nana, regarding certifications, I'll talk about that soon. Wait. Okay, let me give an example. Which is your favorite restaurant? Which is your favorite restaurant? Good restaurant. Huh? Louder. Shag House or Mayfield, Pista. Huh? Okay, let's take whatever it is. Let's say Pista House. So Pista House is a super number one example. I'm saying we're not promoting. Okay, Pista House is the number one. Restaurants for biryani example. As he's number one, will he give the food for free? Tell me, will he give the food for free? No one. Who is number one in the market in cloud provider? But he is giving you for free for 1 year. He's giving you free for how many years? Nana, who is number one in the point? Will he give for free? But our AWS is giving 1 year free trial. 1 year free trial. So this guy is saying, hey, go sign up to AWS, do a lot of practice. Everything is free. Not everything. Few things will be a thing, but most of the things are free. And that too, very, very, very important thing is, very good news is, Naresh IT is also providing you a sandbox. What is it, Nana? Sandbox. What is sandbox? We'll talk about that later. So that meaning everyone will generally, you need to go and sign up to the AWS account. But you no need to sign up. Naresh IT will give you the AWS account. So aram say you do all the practicals there without a single billing there. That is another wonderful thing that Naresh IT is providing, but we'll talk more about this later. Amma, any question? Na? Okay, so good. Next is, let me take one realistic example. Do you know Netflix? What is that question, sir? Who don't know Netflix, sir? Right? Nice episodes, huh? Okay, so someone told me Naresh is more popular than Charminar in Hyderabad. Syed is saying, very good. Syed, put it in everyone. Now you're putting nice things in personally to me. Okay, so nice. Everyone are activated and motivated now. Huh? Okay, nice. Very nice. Okay, I'll take one small example of Netflix, Nana. And you know what? Okay, for now, just imagine server. Server is like a box. What is that? Box. It's dabba box for now. Just imagine server is a box. If you want to access, if everyone want to access Netflix, that Netflix application need to put it in the dabba, no server, no. Okay. Now assume 10 people are okay. 100, let's assume 50 people are there. How many dabbas that you need? How many dabbas? 1, 2 dabbas are fine. 1, 2 servers are fine. Yes or no? 1, 2 servers are fine to support the 50 people. Yes. Okay. Now 50 people has increased to 100 people. These 2 servers are sufficient? How many we need? 4. And now increase to 500. How many you need? Now number of people are 500. How many you need? Just random. 20. Number of people from 500 to 5,000. 200. Okay. 5,000 to 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000. Now, how many? How many servers you need? 50,000 servers. Example, say, okay. Now, how many people? I think in India, not only in India, everywhere in the world, every person has Netflix account. Those who are not, those who don't have Netflix account, they are very innocent people. Sir, I'm not. Either you should not have money or either you are not very innocent. Okay, so Nana, how many crores of people are there? And Netflix need to increase the number of servers. 50,000, 60,000, 1 lakh servers, they need to put it. They all put it, all the servers need to put it in one big room only, no? Yes or no? As the number of people are increasing, number of servers are also increasing. Chitty, yes or no? As the number of people are increasing, number of servers are also increasing. See, as Netflix is increasing the number of servers, meaning you need to purchase the servers, no? How much cost you need to pay? So for that reason, at one certain moment, Netflix said, Babu, I'm done. Hands up. Hands up meaning in Telugu? Right? So I'm done. I'm not able to handle it. I cannot purchase the servers anymore. But number of people are increasing. Everyone, your 10th class people is having Netflix account because he want to see the series. Who stops? Netflix said, Babu, I'm done with purchasing the number of servers. I'm done. I cannot purchase now. At that time, who entered? AWS entered. Who entered? AWS entered and said, Babu, I will provide servers for you. I will provide servers for you. Netflix say, like how our Bommarillu Hasini will say, okay, first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many servers will you provide? AWS. How many you want? That many I'll provide. 10,000? Yes. 50,000? Yes. 1 lakh? Yes, Babu. So since then, who is the backend of Netflix? AWS. So who is number one in the market at the moment in this video streaming? Netflix. Which one? Yes or no? Which is the number one streaming website? Netflix in the world. Who is the backend? AWS. Not only for Netflix, AWS is used by many of the companies, big. Your NASA is using, our beloved ISRO is using, right? Very big military projects they are using, government is using, every company, if you take every gully company also, they are using AWS. Nana, your ground is ready. You should learn and then go and play. Who is your coach? Yes, sir. So I am your coach. I'll teach you how to play. Go and play in the ground. There are many grounds available. Choose the best ground and play. Okay? Fantastic. See, and you have a lot of job opportunities in this cloud provider, and that to secure jobs. What is that? Secure job. Tell me now, experienced people, can you please back me up online? We had recession and all. Anyone those who know AWS got fired till now? Online people? You see? Everyone are saying no. So that means you are secure or not? Yes, you are. You will be secure. Because once you have AWS knowledge, no one will touch you because AWS is must and should for every company nowadays. And also you will get a super fantastic pay. Money, right? And also I'm putting this, Anna. I'm putting this. AWS is not as complicated as you think. What is that? AWS is not as complicated as you think. See, until you find a right trainer, if you find a right trainer, AWS will be easy. It's not as complicated as you think. Many people have this question, sir, AWS is number one in the market. No, how do I learn? Bhai, I'm there, no? I am there for you to kick this AWS in your brains without pain. That's why I always say, give me a chance, take a chance. I'll kick this AWS in your brains without pain. You understanding? Right? So not as complicated as you think, Nana. So of course, if you find a right trainer, then it will be a super easy for you. I hope you found the right trainer. And no prior experience required. Many people say, sir, do I need to learn Bava? Bava meaning Java. Do I need to learn Java? Sir, do I need to learn Python? Bush? Do I need to learn .NET? Do I need to learn some scripting? Chitty, not at all required. To learn AWS, these are all things are not required. But for now, start with AWS. Once you start growing in your career, add one by one, but not Java, and all these things. But later, you need to add, because see, now to start with, you can start with AWS, then you can go with DevOps, and then slowly some other things. But I will be showing you the career path for you. What to learn first, what to learn next, what to learn. And that too, remember, first and foremost is to learn AWS, then go to DevOps. The best career is learning AWS first and then DevOps, because in DevOps, AWS will be used. In DevOps, AWS will be. For that reason, if you learn AWS full-fledged, then you can easily go and fix in the DevOps. And people will say that, I'm also saying this. I'm very honest and I'm very straightforward. People will say that in DevOps also we'll teach AWS, but no. They will just do the touch-up. They will say, hey, AWS, there is AWS. See, there. And you'll say, what you'll say? You don't know, no? AWS is there, AWS is there. No, that is not the right way. So first you need to pakka learn AWS, then go to DevOps. This is my suggestion. Okay. And experience will, what do you say? Your words will inspire the other. So experienced people, what do you say? Back me up, please. Whatever it's saying is correct or not? Online, experienced people. Do you see that? How many people are saying that? It's not only me. Everyone, those working in industry, they will say this. Okay, Nana? Nice. Thank you, experienced people, for backing me up. Correct, Pratibha. Pratibha put it to everyone. Okay, nice. And then, as I said, no prior experience is required. No prior experience. So people say, learn that, this and all. No, first go with AWS. And by the way, another important thing, good news. You like good news, no? Whoever is opted this AWS course with me from Naresh IT, Linux course is free. Which one? There are mainly how many types of operating systems? Two mainly, Windows or Linux. So your applications will be on Windows also. Your applications will be on Linux also. Pusukku, you join some company. You join some company, and there they said, hey, you'll be working on Linux. Sir, Linux. So remember, in real time, people will use Windows and Linux. And which is cheaper? Which is cheaper, Windows or Linux? Linux is cheaper because Windows is license-based. No, Linux is free. For that reason, to do the cost optimization, cost saving, what the companies will do is they will be using Linux. For that reason, it is good for you to learn. Like, no need to go very deeper into it. Just like if you go, we have our separate trainer will be there here in Naresh IT who will teach you for free. Okay, Nana? This is a good thing for you. So cloud technology is in the past also, in the present also, and the future is also cloud. Everywhere it is cloud. Everywhere it is cloud. Okay, so you think, sir, you are teaching AWS, for that reason you are talking more about AWS. Let us see the real thing. Nana, there is a very important survey organization which is called Gartner Magic Quadrant, which we'll be using in the real time. So what they said, they will be, by doing a lot of surveys, they will come up who is the leader in the cloud. Who is the leader there? Do you see there? Leader is top is AWS, followed by Microsoft, that meaning Azure, and followed by Google. So will you tell me which one will you learn? Number one, number two, number three? Number one. Very good. Let me give you one more example. I'll take, what is the name? Prashant. I'll take our friend Prashant here. So Prashant, what he said is, Nana, I took this screenshot from Google, right? And then it is in 2015, but the concept is same. Let's assume Prashant want to put some application in cloud. Prashant want to put application in cloud. And I came and say, and Prashant saw, if you want to put it in IBM was down for how many hours? Is that okay for you? Your application will be down for 17 hours. Is that okay for you? Online. Is that okay for you, Chiti, everyone? No. Okay, then you go for Google, GCP. GCP was down for how much time? 11 hours. Your application is down for 11 hours. Is that okay? Chiti, is that okay? See, there, backside. No. Azure was down for 10 hours. Your application is down for 10 hours. Is that okay? Out of all these things, AWS went down for 2 hours, that too in 2015. Till now, it never went down. Now tell me, which cloud provider will you choose? Who is telling you are Mia? Yes or no? Correct? Sir, you are AWS 10. That's why you are talking more about AWS. Why you are talking about now AWS now? Because that is fact. Okay. So very good. And if you take Nana cloud infrastructure, say 33% of the market is now captured. Not even it's in last year one. So not even 33, it is have more than reached 50% now. 50% of the market is captured by whom? AWS only. That meaning what? So you can say, sir, all this market, everything, why do we need, sir? You need this because I said 50% of the market is captured by AWS. No, 50% of the market meaning what? Every company is using AWS. No, so you will have a lot of opportunity there or not? Yes, you have a lot of opportunity there because 50% of the market is captured by AWS. Every company, if you take small company also, they'll be using AWS. So what you need to do is you have to learn and keep it ready, right? You need to keep it ready and wait for the opportunity. Okay. Yes, Nasiruddin. So that was some data center went down there, but let's not worry about that now. But since then, AWS didn't went down. That was very first time in an unfortunate case. That was in 2015. How many years? Almost 10 years back. No, 6, 7 years back. Okay. Oh, and have you heard this? In Hyderabad, Amazon is planned to invest 200 some million dollars. Have you heard about it? Have you heard that AWS had in Hyderabad, they have launched a new data center in Hyderabad? See, so AWS is trying to invest more and more and more in Hyderabad also. So what does that mean? If they are investing, put it in Google, no? If you are, so first time you are hearing Mukesh, put it in Google. So how much Amazon is investing in India, right? So they have a lots of plan to invest and increase the revenue also from India. So if they're investing, that meaning indirectly, you are getting opportunities. And that to many people, generally people ask, sir, how about in abroad? Are by every country you take, not every country, I'll say. If you take US, Canada, especially Europe side, everywhere they're using AWS. So many people went. So many people went. But I would say get an experience first and then move. Okay. Nana, is this clear till here, everyone? Sisi, online, you're getting it, Nana? Super. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Now, AWS is more secure or Azure is secure? Which one is more secure? If AWS is not secure, why it will be number one? Logic. If AWS is not secure, why AWS will be number one? Of course, it is secure. So the security and all this also will be learning in our course. There are a lot of things that we'll be learning. Both are secure. Both are secure, but the market is captured by AWS. And another important thing is, if you learn AWS, if you learn AWS, Azure, you can easily learn also because cloud concepts are universal. What's that? Universal. It is concepts are same, but providers are different. Here you call something A. Here you call it as some other name. Here you call it some in AWS, you call one thing as something, and the same concept here, the name is different. So if you learn AWS, Azure is simple, GCP is also simple. Yes, Abhishek, you can. No. Have you heard this? Have you heard this? AWS has certifications. Have you heard this? Okay, those who have not heard, let's talk about a little bit on certifications because it is important. What is certification? Okay, now you will come to interview. Let's say I'm interviewer. You come to me and say that, sir, oh, when I'm doing interview, this is another joke. And this will be helpful for you. When I'm doing an interview for, especially for freshers, what is the first question that I ask? I ask, tell me about yourself. First question, tell me about yourself. You know what? What he made my day. I laughed like anything. What he said is, sir, my name is something, he said. I am 2022 passed away. What is that? Passed away. Arey, you passed away. Who are you, man? You're ghost, huh? So 2022 passed away. You should not say. Okay. So what I will, you know, you know what? I hide him because he made me laugh on the entire day. It was hectic with customers and all, right? But he laughed me and like make me laugh with it. So the thing is, don't use past. What is the meaning of passed away? Gone, dead, right? Don't use this passed away concept. Say that I am 2022 graduated. What is that? That looks very professional. What is that, Nana? Graduated. Okay, fine. So then I'll ask, show me your certificates. What do you do? You give BTech certificate, MCA certificate. No, no. Before that, I'll ask. You will say, sir, I'm BTech graduated. What's the proof? You say you are BTech graduated. No. What is the proof? What's the proof? Certificate. No. You'll show me the certificate. Then what I do? Then I'll trust you that you are BTech because I have a certificate. Similarly, how the company know that you know AWS? You need to show certificate. You need to show certificate. So for that, AWS is conducting the certifications. AWS is conducting the certifications, not Naresh IT. From Naresh IT, I'll be teaching you AWS, making you ready for interviews, certifications, and all. AWS will conduct the certificate. Your school will conduct the exam, or board will conduct exam. Board only, no? Yes or no? So here also, Nana, AWS has certifications. AWS has. Let me give an example. Why? You tell me today, certification is mandatory or highly recommended? Is it mandatory or highly recommended? Highly recommended. Let's say, for example, I'll take that guy. Ajay. Ajay is an interviewer. Ajay is our interviewer. Myself and Harsh. 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 There's no ha. Harsha. Oh, Harsh. Okay, good, nice name. So, myself and Harsh went to interview. Who is an interviewer? Ajay Babu is interviewer. And then Harsh asked me, hey Riyaz, are you certified? I said, no, Ray. I am certified. Good, Ray. You went to the interview and Ajay interviewed us, both of us, and we both are equally technically good. But Harsh is certified. I am not certified, assume. Tell me, as an interviewer, who he will hire? Who will hire? Louder. Are you interviewer? No. But still you are answering no. But still you are answering that you will be hiring Harsh. Why? Because he is certified. Because he is certified. You understand? So similarly, if you are certified, you will get a lot of weightage in the interview. I'll tell you one more secret. Companies, they will hire the certified people. They will hire the certified people. Why? Because they will go to his customer and say that, hey, Babu, I have 100 people, all are certified. And customer will say, oh my God, 100 people certified, that too, take this project. Because he clearly trusts that all are certified people, that meaning definitely they know AWS. Definitely. Like this, companies, they will hire the AWS certified people. And that too in interviews also, for selection purpose also, they will have a more weightage on the certifications. For that reason, Nana, in our course, I'll be concentrating on the certification questions also. You know to get prepared. I'll inject in your brains, right? So I'll not talk about injections because from tomorrow you will get to know. Because tomorrow we'll be entering into the technical topics. So, and after this course, After this course, you will be eligible to clear the certifications. Easily will clear. Okay, so you want to know what are the certifications that we have in AWS? Yes or no? Hmm. So let's see what are the certifications we have in AWS. TTC here. Nana, see here. Yes, Krishna Chaitanya. Anyone can learn. Are there any prerequisites required for this course, Nana? Any prior experience is required? Nothing. I'll make you from 0 to hero, right? So consider I will be considering all you like a small babies in AWS. So I'll make you crawl, get up, walk. After 60 days, what you'll do? You'll run. Yeah, before class. After 7, है ना? ये before का. Okay, Nana. So after 60 days, what you'll do? You will run. That is our goal. Okay, see here. See here, Chiti. See here, Nana. So there are 3 levels. How many levels are there? Louder. How many levels are there? 3 levels. One is foundational level. Another one is associate level. Next is professional level. Yeah. So in every level, we have the certifications. In every level, we have the certificate. If you take foundational level, in foundational, we have what certification here? Cloud practitioner. What is another? Chitti, say that? Cloud practitioner. So cloud practitioner is a very jujube certification. If you go to interview and say, hey, I'm cloud practitioner certified, then interview will say, Babu, go and play that side. Right? So the thing is here, we will not be concentrating on the cloud practitioner because it's very jujube thing. Let's concentrate on something little bit bigger. So bigger meaning we have what level, Nana, here? Associate level. In associate level, we have architect, operations, developer. Say that, Nana. Architect, operations, developer. Now and next level we have the professional. Professional meaning top, Rabai, you are top. Top meaning you are too much of highly professional. But in companies, they don't ask professional certifications. Companies, they don't ask because you are all less than 5 years of experience, no? Freshers, non-IT, less than 5. And those who are having 10 years of experience, more than 10 years of experience, then they will ask for the professional certificate. But for you, which one is enough, Nana? Associate is enough. So remove this professional from your mind. So in associate, we have 3 certifications. What are those? Architect, operations, and developer. Now question is, which one we should do? Which one we should learn? Architect, operations, developer. Which one? You tell me. Online, offline is super interactive. Of course, you are also, but okay, let's hear from online. Some people they sysop, some people they architect, some people they develop everything, mixed feelings. Huh? Okay. So I'll give you one small example. I'll make you to answer this. Okay. Let's take that example. Chitti, if you want to construct, I'll give the world example only. If you want to construct a house, your dream house, to whom you'll reach first? Bank loan. No, bank loan you'll get. To whom you'll reach? Land, okay. You will reach architect no first. What the architect will do? He'll design, he'll plan, no? He'll plan like this. Hey, this is your 200 square yards. Huh? And inside this is your, let's say, hall. This is your bedroom. Double bedroom enough? Okay. So double bedroom. This is your bedroom. This is also attached bathroom. This is dining hall. Kitchen. Future is there only. Kitchen. So like this. So looks like I'm very bad architect. Okay. So here, this is architecture that we have. Example. And then the architect will architect everything A to Z. And now so-called developers who are, how many developers are there here? Any developers here? Offline, online? Okay. See, what the developers will do is, okay, online developers are there. Nana developers, tell me honestly, I'll ask you one question. I'll ask you one question. What the developers will do is, developers, the Papa or Babu, whoever it is, she will take the laptop and she'll go inside. She'll sit and she open the laptop and start coding Java, Bava, Java, Bava, Java, Bava coding. Yes or no? Does the developers really worried about what is happening on the other side? Developers, tell me. No, no one is interested. You see how many replies you're getting it. No developer is interested what is happening. Only developer is interested is upon my code. My code, it is running or not, error free or not, any errors are coming or not. They are morely worried on the code only. So let's say all of a sudden this developer got a problem. Developer will shout, hey, admin, where are you? Our CSOP operations guy, he will come and say, hey, what happened? Hey, this is the problem, and that admin will fix. Operations guy will fix. Now listen this. Now operations guy also have the problem, and developer, they both could not able to solve the problem. To whom they will reach? Architect. To whom they will reach? Because architect knows everything. Developer knows only certain thing. Operations knows on top of it little bit, but architect knows everything. Now you tell me, you want to become an architect, a developer, or SysOpa? Louder. Good news is again, we will be learning architect in our course. We'll be learning what, Nana? Architect in our course. So this architecture is not a normal architecture. I mean, nice architecture. Right? So very nicely that end to end, you'll be learning a AWS solution architect. So after 55 to 60 days, you will become what? Say that solution architect. Okay, now many people are, sir, how about developers? How about developers? No, for developers also, see, AWS is like umbrella. AWS is like umbrella. It's like a big shelter. Inside this, Baba people will come, Bush people, Python people will come, data science people will come, the mainframes, everyone will has to come under that umbrella only. For that, everyone recommend, if you take any experienced people, everyone will recommend, Babu, have one cloud technology with you, plus whatever you want. With cloud technology, you are good, but plus cloud plus Baba, Java, cloud plus .NET, cloud plus Python, cloud, only cloud, enough. Cloud plus DevOps. Whichever you are interested in, you need to choose those if you want to have a good career. So, solution architect, only pure guy. Developers can do like this, yes or no? Solution architect plus developer. And next, solution architect plus operations. Our rehearsal students will do plus operations. Developer plus operations. So you have a high chance to complete all these things. I'll give you one good example. See, one of my previous student, thank you. One of my previous student, what he did was, after the course, he applied the certification, he went to the exam hall. When he opened the paper, he saw developer certificate, but he wanted to write solution architect. Pusuk, while selecting the scheduling, he selected developer and he scheduled it. And what he did, he wrote that exam. You know how much percentage he got? 85% he got. How much? Good thing is here, if you learn solution architect, 70% of developer topics, 70% of operation topics will also covered in architect only. So which one we need to aim for? Solution architect. If you are solution architect, you can do the development as well as operations also. Okay, Nana? Very nice. Is it clear? You understand? So now which certification that we need to concentrate on, Nana? Solution architect. And once you are done with solution architect, then you can concentrate on specialty. Like if you are a security specialist, if you want to become security specialist, if you want to become machine learning or big data, whichever it is, you can choose it. But everyone, irrespective of Java, Python, .NET, everyone, you have to be a solution architect first, then your own language. Clear? Online? Okay. So is it clear, everyone? So Nana, future is cloud, cloud, cloud. That too, which cloud? AWS. Louder, which cloud? From tomorrow onwards, from tomorrow onwards, we'll be going into technical topics. Today, I gave you the brief introduction about, generally everyone have some questions, no? All your questions are normal, general questions got cleared? Yes or no? So instead of you asking one by one all the questions, I took this today a general session where everyone knows about what is AWS and what to learn, where to go, what's the career and everything. Now, I hope you understand everything. From tomorrow, we'll be entering into the actual topics. And from tomorrow, don't leave the class until I say, Chittis online. Don't leave the class until I say. From tomorrow onwards, we'll be entering into the basics, Nana. So basics are very, very bhayanak important. Basics are very important. Don't miss the basics. How much good you are at the basics, on top of it, you can have that much great career. Okay, Nana? So from tomorrow onwards, which cloud you need to take? AWS cloud. There are so many clouds in the sky, you know. Which cloud you will take? AWS cloud and start squeezing it. In Telugu, we call it as right? From tomorrow, what we do? AWS, we'll squeeze it. And also from tomorrow, right? Excellent. It is. And let me take questions online. Any questions from tomorrow? We'll be having same time, 5:30 to 7, right? Same time. Don't miss the class. From tomorrow, we'll have a very interesting, wonderful, beautiful topics. Don't leave the class. Okay, any questions online? Don't leave the class until I say online. Duration. Duration, how many days? 55 to 60 days. Nice. And how long the certification will be valid? Certificate is valid for 3 years. How many years? Pusuk Aram say you do the certification and don't look back for how many years? 3 years. 3 years you can be. Okay, we'll get the notes. Of course, you will get the notes. And tomorrow also same link. Tomorrow also same link, guys. Sir, I'm joining from Ghana. Nice, Syed. Yes, there are many people ask projects. What does the project contains? What does the project contains? Tasks only, no? What does the project contains in real time? Tasks. We'll be doing hundreds, thousands, I mean, not thousands, we'll doing so many tasks in our course. If the collection of the tasks is called what? Project. So after 3 years, we need to renew. After 3 years, you need to write it again. Yes. Course fee. And Mr. Rajesh sir, if you are available, can you please put your, Mr. Rajesh will be your admin. Mr. Rajesh will be your admin. Any non-technical questions, you can ask him. Any technical questions, you can ask me here. Fees, timings, same timing, Nana. Same timings, Krishna Chaitanya. 5:30 to 7 every day. 55 to 60 days. No fast track. If you go with the fast track, it's gone. Not good, fast tracks. This 55 to 60 days will also be for experienced people. If you go, there is no way in the world who is giving fast track. If they are giving fast track also, don't believe. You don't get anything there. 100% sure. Fees you will get to know, Nana. Okay. But I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you one thing. You have so many questions. No, after what you want to do, I want to become that, this and all. First learn. There is one meme, no? Chadukondi first. Chadukondi mundara. Right? Learn first. Study first. Once after this, then you will get more confidence, and then you can do whatever you want. So don't think about the second thing, irrespective of your technology, you are a Java data scientist, that, this, and that, you are a homemaker, or you want to move from non-IT to IT. From non-IT to IT, especially people tell me, if so many people want to move from non-IT to IT, no? Okay, tell me, non-IT people, will you learn Java? Say yes or no? No. Will you learn .NET? Will you learn data science? Will you learn something else? Will you learn AWS, which is number one in the backend? That too easy from me? No coding required? So that's why everyone chooses AWS. Okay. Doctor, your medicines are antibiotic. Thank you, Hussein. So can you explain in Telugu, sir? No. So my classes will be in English. I'm .NET. Do I need to learn AWS concept? Manoj Kumar. Yes, Nana, you have to. Yes, Machindra. Yes. Machindra, yes. We'll cover that Lambda also. Please provide admin number. Don't worry. Tomorrow we'll get all the details also. Tomorrow, same time, please be on the time. Okay. Of course, tomorrow I'll be also on time. So please join on time. So that tomorrow we'll be talking about the technical topics. Okay, Nana? Great. So don't log into the WhatsApp channels. Don't click on any links, online people. Don't click on any. Okay, I'll be taking your questions tomorrow also. First, please enjoy the classes. And then tomorrow evening also, I'll take all your questions. So can you give me the final CC for today, please? CC with smile online. Smile is important because smile is the only takeaway from online people. If you put smile, I'll be happy. That meaning you love the class. See, CC with smile. Excellent. Super. Great. So that is all, guys, for today. And I'll see you tomorrow with the next beautiful and wonderful topic. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow. At the same time, same link. Don't miss the class. See you. Good night. Bye-bye.